Yeah, I'm Kushal Dhillon, and I'm currently a student of IP University, which is in Delhi. And yeah, I'm an ISECer. I'm a part of this chapter called ISEC in Delhi IIT. I feel very great by being a part of this initiative and one of the few people who tested this application. Uh, and I contribute. Not I'm not gonna say in every way possible, but I contribute in a lot of ways. I am a part of ISEC, so yes, they teach us a lot about women's safety. They tell us a lot what needs to be done on our part, right? On my part specifically. So yes, and one more thing. Personally, there are a lot of things that I make sure, and I make sure that my female friends, they feel safe when they're walking here and there. Like when we're going back home, if you're late, I make sure that they feel safe. I don't take a wrong route. I think right now there's a lot of problems that are being faced by a lot of people, not just women. There should be a lot more changes that need to be there in the system right now, and I'm not at all satisfied with what's happening around. So yeah, I just still don't feel safe while even speaking right now because a lot of people around looking at me like that. Indian values teach you a lot, right? So I think one of the key factors that my Indian value system teaches me is togetherness, and that's what I take care of, like with my family, with the people who are close. Even if someone's not close, if I see someone being attacked by something or getting molested, I will take up charge. I will make sure that that doesn't happen. So yes. With this application, the only problem that I think there would be in a country like India is like not everyone uses an Android phone and an iPhone or an iPhone, right? So I think if they could just make it available to every phone user specifically, so I think that'd be great, and so that everyone could know about this amazing application and could go towards feeling safe about themselves by using this application.